Ema akwa babium e de ba channel we so. Ene video ni e be kire okwan a be fa so aye fertilization as a fish farmer. The fertilization ade a ehu hia as a fish farmer before I will bring you finger race and as we stock you finger race and as juveniles no. Fertilization the number one thing I say we many beginners lost their finger race and as juveniles because they don't do fertilization well. In the video ni ba be chiro kan be fast fertilization ni ade nyina na ade finger race and as juveniles no about fish pond no. The best say we show video to the very end. And let's say your first time I'll show a video, I is seventh farm. I check when I started fish farming and snake farming business in your backyard. The best of subscribe page, No, I like, I share some of for any biashe. After you be around Tiasiano, which will comment section or you say the winch will be ever bro. It's any kind of, and never chop can be fast for fertilization for your fish farming business. The fertilization fertilization say abra wakoto fish pond abano and as wakope o tank na abano chemicals ni enyama wom nti wo ba wuro tank ni why bibia kama se ne be ya de finger race and as juvenile ni doguma fa problem bia emre won ko finger race no omo ye mbu anketenkete a won sheda inni ahode bibiri nti na bia chemicals and as bibisa e wo tank ni ma it no dey how to bu a won so be the stocking the first day no be stocking no mwa be sha say wu bebri no ntia ni nyina depend kwan obe fa so aye fertilization for your tank no e be cho secret way obe fa so aye fertilization for your fish farming business idi yen se emre no e kwa me kwa cho kwan obe fa so aye fertilization for your fish farming business idi se na aye ka no before be fertilization no nyama ben ana say start ben na obeye our previous video dey cho kwan obe fa so aye setup for your fish farming and kwan obe fa so early prominent work and said nyama ni nyina so we share that video ni ya we share so be kwa share that video no before answer na so wa ba before wa your setup no we prominent work ni ade ni nyina wi no we bu nsi agu fish pond no the kind of fish pond we bu nsi agu fish pond no we bu dry plantain leaf so be sha amo say me the dry plantain leaf I dey agu so the dry plantain leaf we gu sionum for 7 days. Yes, this is the secret that many farmers don't know. We bun se go fish pond for 7 days. Both of the 7 days in the bedroom, both and then sitting in brown. So by over tank in one. Both say every time one as a big chemicals do war in Sunum and tank in one. Both of the ban one in tank no for balance chemicals to woman. Near say if you are your tanks need you are over cent no. They be a chemical over cent by own any nana or better. If you are you know, when a grandma, you tank in Muna crane, planting in for 7 days. Or you know what boot in everyone say, I will come out and then be here. I will say, you have a shot step by step. It is overshot. Was a baby. Me outlet no. You will be in I say 7 farms. I check on our first started fish farming and snake farming business. The rest of the subscribe page, now one like it. I feel so I share my photos so any of
If you're ready for a better life today, come farm with me, make we rise up. You them tired of empty promises. I show them farming with real evidence. No scam life, no loud talk. Just clean water, feed and hard work. Training people, sharing the skill, teaching how to farm and pay the bills. If you start small, no shame at all. One step today, tomorrow you stand tall. Who be the farmer? Who they teach them right?
Babu suni ni awa di ni na babu suni na wi no e se otutu tank ni so bo ho abo se rodi ngura na ye di bu mu no ntinu bo se ayiyi ahamo no so wo hwa ha wo se ahamo pure white no and I pure white as in and you know so you pick mu ni na e wi
we dey hustle every day. Plant the seed, make the blessing find a way.
Indeed, what you choose tank in the moon, every no. If you know, baby, you see salt no. And as a one channel, the over 1 channel, a good zoom. We put buckets and as a bucket, you know, what 1 channel, a good. The mentioning every I don't say no until say enchire no be dissolve. Say enchire no ebe ho won suo no. Afi wa pe o sponge and as a foam. Ade bia obetimi dia bon suo no ma afifa tank no ho bia no. Wa pe na dia bom na dia afifa tank no ho nyina. Enchire no ebu ama reducing chemicals bia woman na say mwe bia ewu bia no. Ebu ama ekunkum wo nyina because of enchire na no dey meet.
Plant the seed, make a blessing, find a way. Fish and snail, we they grow on the right way. Sun Stebbins farm, yeah, we lead the way.
What the engineer now or tank in the moon, every you know. Over Clemens, Fina, our tank in the moon. After the work, we knew what I need behind it. We knew what I like to tank in it. Every work was the outlet. We came out and bear 24 hours until I went to the 2 fingers and that's what people are. We are going to have a fertilization as a beginner for your fish farming business. In the West End, you might be free. Once you find a person, I have fertilization. The rest of the subscribe page, you are sharing some of the and you write something in the comment section. So before comment section, we'll be allowed to ask your comment section. Let's share the home web after subscribing for any updates. The updates via every post you have a fish farming and other snake farming. Thank you for watching and I will see you on my next